Image Paodam Yang Tabiri Basangbu Hamamuta the Krumzari, Jose Maruba Pauda, Daria Control for Night Torum Pang Tokre, Morida Kungang Sasi, Program Pang Tokre, Amadi, Sibishina Loba Class 10 exam was a Hedokre, Jose Pauson on a Pizadi. Sahi Mangaki Makata Leba, Angang Sangbu, Daria the Gang of Tunaba, Lebagasagi Mapang Pudding da Pang Tunariba, intensify. Daria Control for Night Torum, Masay Tawan District, Oinasu, Tawangi, Deputy Commissioner, Hawam Rositana Hodokre, National Health Mission Tawangi Makada, District Hospital Tawana Sinduna, Tawal Wang Madabadaleba, CMO Office Complex K, NISM Conference Hall the Pangtokibang, Sigi, Intensified Daria Control for Night Hodopoki Taramaduda District, National Health Mission Gay. Chairperson so Oriba Tawalgi Deputy Commissioner, Hawam Rositana, Atoiba Mitunglen. District Health Society Tawalgi District Mission Director Su Oiriba District Hospital Tawalgi CMO Dr. N. Zaintikumana Tharmapuluinana Zone 3 Tawalgi Zone Education Officer Arambam Anin Kumar Amasung ICDS Tawalgi DPO Sirimati and Samana Kanaba Mitunglan Sing Oina Serubiaki Tharonge Beba Mitunglange Warun Pireduna DC Hawam Rositana Pongto Kibada Diarrhea Asi Nungzuta Asida Angang Singda Tuina Nagan Malena Amani Lena Singal Tuna Bohonabada Equina Angang Singbo Amadi Aikogi Yumkagi Akoiba Mapam Sing Luna Natambatangai Pade Hirambasigi Matanga Asa Sing Amadi Ankalwadi Worker Singna Miambo Wakan Tahanaba Honabada Jowo Thodang Lovio Aikoipuna Honaminaduna Landam Asidagi Diarrhea Mutamina Se Haiki Ngasigi Intensified Diarrhea Control for Night Hodopogi Tharamaduda Equina Matau Karamna Lunana Legade Habigi Matanga Asa Sing Amadi Ankalwadi Worker Singda Hand Wash Demonstration Upagalunana ORS Amadi Zinc Tablet Singsu Yantoki
Anaba Kudima Ketaren Aruananga Mariam Lane and Akoi Bussing a sea when a Luna Nana Tamiba Makai Koi Anabagi Sang Sisu Yanda Dum Hantarakani Quina control the Bongam Ganina zero death of children by diarrhea. Hay said, see Pandam Masipam Navaki Panamina.
Ziban Hospital Kaksingna Chanten Football Friends CFF Ka Kusamdaraga Nomagi Evalemna Analaying Bagitara Mamagasi Sanyan District Headquarter Leba Indoor Stadium the Bangtokre. Kemaduda Ziban Hospital Kaksinge Managing Director Dr. Y. Asukumar Hospital Sige Advisors Oiriba Senior Gynecologist Dr. N. Nabakishore Yauna Apunba Dr. Taramathuina Medicine Gyne Physical Medicine ENT Eye Respiratory Medicine Surgery Amasung Pediatric Nursing Baga Marilenaba Anaba Mioi Samangaga Kuntramangarom Lemna Lanki Sugar, Hepatitis B, Amasung Hepatitis C pre-screening testing so Mamalodana Tauki. Handak Board of Secondary Education Manipurna Loba Class 10 Gay High School Living Certificate Examination 2018 da Martin Grammar School Gay Oina First Division da pass the Rokraba Singbo Puning Tawat Bagitara Mamangasi Skunasida Pangtokre Taramadu School Sige Headmaster M. Manihar Founder President Y. Mohendro Amade, Founder Secretary P. Somrentona, President Members in Oiki, Masigi Tharamda, School Sigi, Mark Person, Quaidiki Wanga, My Palakraba, Mahiroi, Ahum, Matangsina, and Sobas, M. Irabati, Amade, M. Borota, Skunge Magidigi, Akanamana Biki. Upon Mahiroi, Samasuna Taruna, Skun Asidigi, Class 10 exam Takibagi Manunda, Mahiroi, Marapudipana, Pasto K. Pastor Rabasing Asigi Manunda, First Division da Mahiroi Kunipan, Second Division da Yankayundo Eduga, Third Division da Taret Pastor Kihari. Handa Pangtokiba Manipur Bonaloba High School Living Certificate Exam da Liwang Sajing Government High School, Komla Thabigi Oina Pastor Kraba Mahiroi Shimbo, Schooner Sigi, Teaching Staff Amadi School Management and Development Committee SMDC na Tagapunduragli. Skunasigi Makai Thadoro Pasero Lamana Pundura Pagi Matungina, Handa Pangtokiba, SSLC exam asida Liwangcha Zing Government High School dagi apanba mahiroi umbudra taruk parikha thabage manungda first division na mahiroi kuntra taruk aduga second division na mahiroi kuntare pass tawbage sang zada umbudra hundoi dasmek taruk ohum yauki hairi Manipur Sarkar ke Health Service ke Director Dr. K. Rajuna Haikre hauzik kiningai oina sanduragli ban Nipah virus laina ge oina Manipur da kebelete laina ase Manipur da yoroktre adubo Imphal airport da surveillance team thamduna Kerala da ke lakwa mioy sing check tawnaba official sing thamkhre sekbi amadi oktai sandurak laina oibana miyamna heira sabada sengna samthulaga sabina basu appeal tawki wapam sing ase Director na Pomi Karaga Unabada Matake Wapam Sepondo Kibane, Director na Makata Duna, Nipah virus ase Ian Hana Singapore Amasong Malaysia da Thenaki, Lena ase Baraki, Kerala da Sandorakpadagi, Mioitaragi Matata Kidre, Lena ase Oktagi Sandorakpada, Ok Semba Mioishing the Sangduna, Nipah virus na Nahale, Handak social media da Nipah virus Sandoragle Habasi, Lana Pau Sandopani, Megalege, surveillance team ga Pau Ponare. Hauzik Paodam Lena Sina Naba Late Kangalagle. Lena say Japanese encephalitis ke Layenga Manai, Rems Amasong Janimsta, Lena Sina Narapasing, Tengnabada, Lying Nabadarka Lebapulam Sing, Tambagaluinana, State Health Department ke Service Lens, Timna, Zila Sing Dege, Tuina Depot Lowry Hanesu, Razuna Punduki. District Administration Technopange More Subdivision ADC Office Morine Sindunang Ase Morege Lanki Chong Veng the Leba Zatri Niwas IBG Holda Kongansase Go to Village Mission Ge Program Pangthokre Taromatuda Additional Deputy Commissioner More and Bankimna Chief Guest SDPO More Sandit Gopaldas Amade Lanki Choi Venge Chairman T by T Anina Gas of Honor Singh Amade AC2 ADC More Keke Pauna Function Ke President Oibagaloinana Tongan Community Leaders Sangsu Sarivya K. Ngasegi Thorongi Manung Channa Chief Minister Ge Haksin Ge Tengbange Card Uzala Scheme Ge Makada Gas Connection Panganba Amade Atay Lenga Ke Kudung Sabakya Beneficiaries Sing the Pangan K. Masidanatana Tongan Balenga Ke Loshang Singi Meo Kiasu Yau K. Maduda Lanki Choi Venge Chianmena Mapamasi the Lenga Ke Maike Community Hall Amasabinaba Wapam Thanke. Impal West ke Manung Channel Leriba City Block Mari Haibadi Patsoi City Block Haureng Sabal City Block Hiangthang City Block Amadi Wangoi City Block ke Pradhan Kuntra Mapange Mahut Selaga Patsoi City Block ke Manung Channel Leriba Sapam Laidak GP ke Pradhan e Bisorjan Haikre Kungang Sakunaba Santana Thadarakpa Pansing Maru Aina MC NREG Ena Jahi Amada Tangkak Marirak Thongna Santang Pidi Hariba Santang Sing Asige Ahanba Phase ke Santang Adu Utilize Dogdravadi Makataba Santang Pangloidori Wapama Sing Ase Manipur Press Club Tapamisanga Unabada Ebisorjana Pondo Kibane Mana Makata Kibda State Gamena Kungang Sakon Anaba Thadaragliba Santang Sing Matam Chana Thadopio PMAY ge Makada Santang Piraga Yum Sariba Senge Anisoba Santang PB Dabadage Yum Sabal Ushindana Ladiba Sangsu Atubada Pitopi Haiki.
Maruna, Manipur Sarkar issue, we go to village, go to hill level program se, Muslim ko. Umuni palaga hating na unadana awan ngai, adu Dakar kay le. Simlo awal pas no hangi benedo. Maruna sema sakar ko bisimba, kuigi Minister Bill lo kesasa si, umuni sema kaba, umuni sema sema bisa, kita itu sih. Silu masih sih, macam jangan kalau terka, go to village kau gip posi.
Humudra Marirak Suba, Battle of Red Hill Ge Palantaram, Bisnupur District, Manung Channa, Maibam Lotpa, Jingdaleba, India Peace Memorial da Pangthokre, Second World War Impal Campaign Foundation is in Dunapangtoki Batorum Duda, British High Commissioner, New Delhi Member Singh, Manipur University da, Tourism and Hospitality da degree course Tauriba Mayru Singh Amade Foundation Ge, Miokiana Saruya Kibasingda, India Peace Memorial da Arabi Yahiptan Kraba Thoba Singh Mapamda Haikaleka Tamki. Ngasigi Thoramda Saruya Kiba British Deputy High Commissioner Bruce Bucknell Thoramase Red Hill Ge Lanpamda Tawaina Ponta Pikraba Lanmi Singbo Ning Sing Bagaloina Ikai Kunaba Utpo Ina Thoramase Pangtopuni Haiki.
I'm delighted to be here today at the Red Hill Memorial Site to remember the lives lost from all sides, be they Japanese side, Indian side, British side. There were troops from all over the world fighting over this land. And we should remember them, because by remembering, we'll avoid future conflicts like the one we had here 74 years ago. And as my message to the young people who've attended today's celebration.
Tamenglong Jilla da National Food Security Napsagi Chenglana Sizina Kibage Mayokta Zilla Aduke headquarters Dangasi Miamna release at protest of Craig. Food Security Eke Makada Lupa Humda Chenkisi Manga Mioi Amada Pangliba Se Lana Dauduna Sizina Tokre Haina Miamgi Rally Amachatuna Deputy Commissioner Ge Banglo Tamna Tamsin Craig. Rally Aduda 40 our right terminate corrupted officer Manipur government work talk. What our government is blind haina pleka singda thaduna really edusat kibani policing na so aswe engam yaudana kanba section thorang sing lokhat ke haire Manipur ge mading hanjin ba chengi mapong kya da sarkar ni piriba napsagi cheng ase phangpham thokpai myoi singda phangdabadagi jilla kya da miyamna khoisauna ba kya pongnare haire singi lamda pigadaba napsagi sing kadomda haina thokre haibase wahang ama oire haina so pawasina haire CBSE ne lau bakum se sahi ge class 10 ge exam da punma mark samanga ge manung da chamri ga marpudara mapan phangba mahiroi mari yaure pass tawge chang sada marphu taruk 10.3 oike mase hauki bachahi lisingane tara tare ki dagi chada mari 10 ani manga hantarabane hakum ge pass tawge chang sada marputara 10 mapan manga oike bane Thiruvananthapuram na chada marputara mapan 10 taruk pass tawduna khwaidigi amna pass tawbo oire Reason ge oina Thiruvananthapuram Chennai amasung Ajmer highest pass percentage oire nipi masa mahiroi singna nipa masa mahiroi singdage pass tobagi chang hele mahiroi lakama lisang kuntra matoi chamriga marputara humdoina chada mark marputara hena phangkhe mahiroi lisang kuntret sambri humbudra taruna punba mark ki chada marputara manga hena phangkhe Differently able category ge mahiroi lisang home chatret humpu exam thabada mahiroi lisang home chamri marphu pass tawkhe Gurgaon ge Sun City School ge mahiroi Anushka Panda amasung Ghaziabad ge Uttam School ge mahiroi Sania Gandhi na punna top tare makoina mark chamanga ge manungda mark chamriga marphu mapan manana phangkhe aduga Odisha degi Somya Dev Pradhan na mark chamriga marphu mari phangduna second position de lekhi Makoi ahumak differently able category gini mahiroi lak aniromna compartment exam gi damak thamlei Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Mudra Yojana bo thagal aduna haiki makoi na business tawningba singi damak naha amasung nupida khudong saba piri namo app ki khutangda Mudra Yojana beneficiary singa interacting tawraduna Prime Minister Modi na haiki Mudra scheme na larib singda mateng phajana panglagani imong manung crore 12 da murda scheme ge kanaba phangan khrei loan gi semphamna lupa crore lakh taru yan thokhrei Mumbai ge Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus CTS railway yard ta ngasi numiyong bada maicha khrei mi kanamata so sohodre haide pagadu da thaduna leba train adu ge course amada mai edu sakhibane firefighting na mai muthatpage thabak tawriba ado miyamna yengki Uttar Pradesh ke Balia district ta chahi kuntaruk surabi mayam palibi nupi ama mi mangana gang rap tawkhrei nupi aduna kaithenda lakpa matamda mi manga aduna phaduna thamlaga phalnan bagi thabak adu sathake bane haina nupi adugi mapuroibana police ta complaint tawduna palle FIR ama loss tawkhrei Kalpir Singh phanaba kannathi bo humbagi thabak sathari haire hauzegaro beda maroiba pau amahna pizari Daria control for night thorum pang thokhrei Morida Kungang Sasi program pang thokhrei amadi CBSE na lower class 10 exam ngasi haidokhrei Paodam ngasi gi matang sida loisare ming tabiri bokhuna mapu amukana khurumsari